such a beautiful place. बोलो कुछ बोलना नहीं है क्यों? And I'm ready. Finally reached, and this is our view. I'm so happy. Look at this view. My sister. So the sun has been set, and we're staying at some camps near Pavna Lake. Hi guys, how are you all? It's the first video of 2018 and I just want to wish you guys a very happy new year. Have a great one. I wish you get all the success and love in this year. And I know this vlog was not even a vlog. I wouldn't call it a vlog because it was not up to the mark. It was not what I expected. But yeah, I promise the next time wherever I go, I'm gonna film it nicely and make a very good vlog out of it. So if you watched it till here, let me tell you, I love you and I am really grateful for you because yaar itna jhela tumne mujhe. And one more thing that I wanna share with you guys, if you don't know yet, my blog turned 1 on this 31st of December, and I'm so grateful for you guys who genuinely support me in my journey. So a big virtual hug for all of you out there. And I wrote a really special blog on that day, so you can check it out. It's about self-love. That's my favorite topic to talk about. So yeah, the link for that blog is in the description box below, or you can directly go to my website and check it out. So like this video if you really like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, comment down below how did you spend your New Year's Eve, or what did you do on 1st of January. I would really love to know that, and I just love reading your comments. So leave a comment. And if you ever plan to go to Lonavala and you wish to do camping, so you can contact the person who was organizer of the whole camping there. You can find his contact details in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.